Good morning class. Today we will discuss about the tree. Tree is a dynamic or you can say non-linear data structure in which elements are stored in a proper sequence. The structure of tree like that. The structure of tree like that. Very first node is known as root of the tree. Okay. Very first node is known as the root of the tree, and root node left side part is known as left successor and right side part is known as right successor. Okay. It's the left successor and that is the right successor. So it's a simply structure of tree. Next is what is the binary tree? Binary tree, it is also a non-linear data structure in which each node can have at the most two nodes, one on the left side and one on the right side, means having only two nodes. So when we draw the tree like this, so it is called as a binary tree. Okay, it's called as a binary tree. A is the node, B and D. These are the two successors. This part is known as left successor, and this type of part is known as right successor. Or you can say this is the subtree. This is the subtree. Okay. So binary tree having only having two nodes. Next, some terms of the binary tree is, what is subtree? I told you subtree, the set of nodes present on either side, left side or right side of the root node is known as subtree. Okay. Next is what is the parent? Parent, any node except the root node. Any node except the root node has a unique node called parent. Means except these nodes are known as parent node, B and D. These are the parent nodes. Next is the child node. What is a child node? A node directly connected to another node when moving away from the root node is known as child node. Okay, a node directly connected. So these are the child nodes. Is the root node, these are parent node, and they are connected with parent node. So these are the child node. Clear? Suppose we increase one more level of the tree. Next is what is the external node and what is the internal node. External node, the node that does not have child nodes is known as, the node that does not have child nodes is known as external node, or you can say leaf node or terminal node or outer node. These are the different name of the external node. So here this F is not having child node, I not having child node, M, N, L, P, these are not having child nodes. So these are the leaf node of the tree. Clear? F, I, M, N, L, P, these are the leaf node or external node of the tree. Next is the internal node. What is the internal node? Any node of a binary tree that consists of child nodes is known as internal node. Okay. In other words, you can say all the nodes except the root node and external node are known as internal node. So except the root node means this node and external node means these nodes. Except these nodes, rest of the nodes are known as which one? Internal node means B, D, E, H. Clear? Except the root node and external node. External node means that node which not having any child node is known as external node. So you leave the root node and external node. Rest of the node is known as the internal node. Clear?